Hello everybody, Mrs Nolan here again. We're going to do some Learn It's now. Now, before you even start this, I'd like you to make sure you've done some of your counting work in the other video, and then you should be really warmed up, ready to do the rest of your number work. Now, our Learn It's for this term would be all the doubles up to 20. We've got to make sure we really know those off by heart. So the first thing to do is to do a double song. The first double song up at the top, that is our doubles rap, and that's the one that really helps you learn your doubles off by heart and make sure that you know them really quickly. The other two, we've had them before at school. They're fun, they really show you what doubles are. So you have a go at one of those. When you're ready, we'll carry on. Now our doubles, we're going to do them one double every week until we know them really well. And the first one we're going to do, because we already know all our doubles up to 5 add 5 is 10, the next one is 6 add 6 equals 12. A lot of you will probably know this one already, because it's so important if you're playing games that need dice. Double 6 is often used in a board game, isn't it? So there's our 6 dice, double 6 is 12. You need to know that off by heart. A 6 add 6 equals 12. Make sure you know it. Let's look at it as a bar model, our part, whole bar model. 6 add 6 equals 12. If we've got 12 and we take away 6, there's 6 left. If we've got 12 and we take away the other 6, there's 6 left. Our part, whole bar model. Now the other way we set out our facts is in a fact family triangle. So what I'd like you to do now is draw the fact family triangle for 6 add 6 equals 12. I want you to write the addition, and I want you to write the switcher. What's that I hear you say? There is no switcher, is there? So instead of that, can you just write the subtraction? Pause the video and write them all down. Ready? Here's my fact family triangle. 6 add 6 equals 12. 12 take away 6 equals 6. You're quite right, there's no switcher. 6 add 6 equals 12. Have you written down the fact family? Well, in this fact family, we've only got 6 add 6 equals 12, and 12 take away 6 equals 6. 12 take away 6 equals 6. So well done if you got that right. Now all the rest of the video is about It's Nothing New, so do a little bit every day until you get to the end. First of all, let's put it into tens. 6 tens add 6 tens equals, well, 6 add 6 equals 12, doesn't it? So let's put that first. 6 add 6 equals 12. 6 tens add 6 tens must equal 12 tens. And how do we write that down? 60 add 60. 6 tens add 6 tens equals 12 tens. And how do we say that? 120. 120. 60 add 60 is 120. Half of 12. Can you write it down? Ready? Let's have a look at my picture. Half of 12 is 6, of course, because 6 add 6 equals 12. Let's look at it. We've got a box of 12 eggs. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Let's put our marker right down the middle so that it's fair. We've got 6 on that side, 6 on that side. It's fair. Half of 12 is 6. Because 6 add 6 equals 12. What about if you have to share 12 sweets between 2 people? How many do they get each? Write it down. I'm going to do it now, sharing out the sweets one by one. 1 for you, 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 and 1 for you. So sharing 12 sweets between 2 people, how many do they get each? Well, of course, they get 6. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Let's see that written down. Well, we can also write this as 12 shared into 2. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Now, knowing your doubles is so useful. If you know your doubles, you can know other things too. So 6 add 6 equals 12, you're right. So if 6 add 6 is 12, what is 6 add 7 and why? Have a go. 6 add 7, it equals 13. There's our 6. 6 adds 7. Well, 7 is 1 more than that 6. So this answer needs to be 1 more than that. 13 is 1 more than 12 because 7 is 1 more than 6. If we know 6 adds 6 is 12, we know 6 adds 7 is 13. What about this one? 6 add 6 equals 12. So what is 6 add 5 and why? Have a go. 6 add 5 must equal 11 because 5 is 1 less than 6. So 11 is 1 less than 12. If that number is 1 less, this number must be 1 less. 6 add 5 is 11. See how useful it is knowing your doubles. They can help with so many other calculations. Right. You know how to draw a line down the middle of your page and put a line across, just like we do in school. But I don't want you doing it too big or you'll waste too much paper. So can you do it quite small on your paper, please? And then when you're ready, we're going to do 4 calculations at once. Okay, I've got blue squares, blue oblongs really, over my answers so that you have to work them out yourself. I'll move them when we're ready. So 6 add 6 equals half of 12 goes in this box. 12 take away something goes in this box. 60 add 60 equals something. So can you write down your 4 answers, please? Ready? 6 add 6 equals 12, easy peasy. Half of 12. Well, that is 6, because 6 add 6 is 12. 12 take away what equals 6? Has to be 6, doesn't it? Because 6 add 6 equals 12. 6 tens add 6 tens. Well, must equal 12 tens. 60 add 60 equals 120. Okay, give yourself another 4 boxes and we'll do another one. Ready? Double 6, well, that answer goes in there. The difference between 6 and 12. What's the difference between 6 and 12? This will help you. Something equals 60 add 60. Ooh. 600 add 600 equals... Oh, goodness me. Can you work them out? Ready? Okay, the easy one. Double 6 equals 12. The difference, now that means how many more do I need to fill in that gap to make 12? 6 add... Of course, it has to be 6, doesn't it? 6 add 6 equals 12. Something equals 60 add 60. Well, 60 add 60 equals 120, doesn't it? 6 tens add 6 tens equals 12 tens. We've just written it the other way round. 120 is the same as 60 add 60. 600 add 600. Well, let's just do the 6 add 6 first, shall we? 6 add 6 is 1200. 600 add 600 is 1200. And we call that 1200. Now, some games to finish off. You can dip into these at any time until you're really, really good at all your doubles. The top one, we're not going to go into that one right now. That is a memory game. So where you put lots of cards down and you've got to find the ones that match. But of course, it's done with doubles. This one is on Top Marks. We go on to Top Marks quite a lot at school. It's a very good website. So let's just have a look at that one. And we do this quite often. So it's a target grid. It's set on doubles. And if you click on a green one, you've got to tell me what the double is. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. Another one, a 6 plus 6 equals 12. We've already done that one, haven't we? You can also set it on halves. Or what you could do is just do it backwards. You could, 9 add 9 is 18, but you could just click on that one and you could find half. Okay, so have fun with those games and make sure you know your doubles really, really well. Well, that's the end of this video for now, so have fun. Bye!